Hey folks, Paul Meeks here for Worthington Products. Look at this crazy picture. What are these crazy Worthington people doing? Don't they know there's work to be done? They're outside floating around playing with these big blue floats. Well, I'll tell you what, in the words of Paul Harvey, I'm going to tell you the rest of the story. You know why? Because sometimes you need a boom supplier with the experience to think outside of the box. So no, they're not playing around. Oh, yes, indeed. There is serious boom work taking place here. Our client, they needed to place some anchors in the water, yet they didn't have the budget to hire barges and heavy equipment and boats and everything. So what we did is we thought outside the box and we came up with a simpler solution. And that simple solution was simply to lump the anchors together on a bridge overpass, hook these blue inflatable floats up, and then drop them into the water. And all we needed at that point in time was a small 14-foot bass boat to just pull them in place and drop them. Did it work? You bet it worked. Take a look at this beautiful aerial image. That is a straight, beautiful, highly visible yellow boom line. And you know what? It's going to prevent all this debris coming down this river system from getting into this water intake for the local water board. So when you need a company, a boom supplier who has the experience, you need to call Worthington. We've been doing this for over 25 years. We're in 65 countries. We know how to get it done. So when you need to get it done, hey, give the folks at Worthington a call. We'll get it done. Now, let's take a look at the results. There it is. If you can see in there, you see some fantastic debris piling up this past fall. This is no problem for Tough Boom. Folks, this is what we do every day. Give us a call. Log on to our website at www.toughboom.com or send us an email. We'd love to talk to you about your next debris boom project. Thank you so much.